Okay, so today for this special project, we're going to shift gears a little bit. Okay, we've been doing a lot of work on haiku poems, and we learned about how to identify haiku poem through the use of syllables. Okay, but today we're going to switch gears. Okay, we're going to change the topic for your special project. You're going to write a short essay on this topic. Okay. Why? English. Okay, why English? Okay. What you're going to do at the end of this lesson is you're going to write an essay on why you think English is important. Okay? And then at the very end, you're going to talk about what your dream is for the future. You're going to tie that into how English fits into it. Okay? So English, okay, is a universal language. Okay? It's a language that's spoken in many different countries all around the world. Okay? Now, in Korea, who can tell me what is the first language of Korea? First language. Very good, it's Korean, okay? Now, what countries use English as a first language?
Korea.
Raise your hand, raise your hand.
Korea.
Alice, no.
Korea.
No.
America.
America, very good, okay? So, let's see, countries, okay, that use English as first language. And Jenny, what does that mean? If a country uses a language as its first language, what does that mean? Okay, if I say English is the first language of the USA, what does that mean?
Global language.
Global language? Okay, they use English a lot, or it could just mean, to be more specific, it's the language that's spoken by most of the people that live in that country. Okay? Now, countries, there are countries that also use English as a second language. Okay? Do you know which countries use English as a second language?
Korea.
Korea? No.
Right.
Not Korea.
Korea.
No. No, not Italy. A country like Hong Kong and the Philippines, they use English as a second language. Okay? Can you think of any other countries that use English as a first language besides the USA? England. Okay, very good. What other countries? Stella. Where? Singapore. Yes, Singapore also uses English as a first language. Okay. Turkey. First language? No, they speak.
Italy.
They speak Turkish. In Italy, they speak Italian. Okay, that's the first language in Italy. Okay, now let's move on to the second question. Now, where can we see? Where can we see English in our daily lives? Where? Where can we see? Where do you notice? Right, raise your hand. Raise your hand.
Here.
Sally.
Here.
Here? Where's here?
Academy.
Okay, you can see English. You can learn about English. You can see English on soda cans. Where else?
School.
At school. Okay, where else? There's many places.
America.
America. Okay, what about in things that you read? Where can you... Books.
Magazine.
Magazines. Very good.
Newspaper.
Newspapers. Very good.
Wow.
Okay.
Store.
In the stores. Okay, good. What about restaurants?
Menu.
No? Yeah, very good. On the menus, you can read certain items in English. Very good, Stella. Okay? Anywhere else?
Museum.
Yeah, in museums. Restaurant names are written in English as well. Okay? What about at the movie theater? Can you read English at the movie theater?
Yes.
Yeah, some of the movie posters are written in English as well.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
Now, let's go over this question, okay? Why? Why is English? Why is English important? What can you use English for?
Why is English important?
Yeah, why?
Why?
You don't know?
Mine.
Why? What's your opinion? Why do you think English is important, or why do you think it's not important?
Why?
Yeah, why? Why do you think it's important?
I don't know.
You don't know why?
Yeah.
Okay, well, here's one reason. You can use English to make new friends. Okay? You can use English to make new
Global
friends. Global friends. Okay? Someone say global friends. Make new friends. Okay? So you girls have a special advantage because you go to an English Hagwon. You have the opportunity to connect with friends from different countries that speak English. Okay?
I don't
You're-
want global friends.
You don't want global friends? Okay.
You don't.
Why else is English important? Okay? We can use English to access, okay, we can use English to access information very quickly using the, how can we access information really fast using English? What can we use? We use Facebook, very good. We can use SNS, okay, social networking services, or we can also say that we can use the internet, okay? We can use the internet, or Cyworld, okay? Well, Cyworld is in Korean, okay? Those are all good answers, okay? So English is important, we can make new friends, we can access information very quickly, okay, using social networking services like Facebook, okay? Yeah, what is what? Tumblr is just it's a service on the internet that allows you to post pictures. Yeah, it's a place where you can upload pictures and you can have really, really big photo albums online. Okay? Alright, so this is what you're going to do. Okay? As a rough draft, you're going to make what's called a mind map. Do you girls know what a mind map is?
Yeah.
Yes? Okay. So, in the middle of the mind map, we're going to put
English?
this topic. My dream. Okay? Your dream. What do you want to be after you graduate from high school and you go to college, university? What do you want to become? Okay? Think about it. It's time to think about it while you're young. Okay? So, for example, if your dream is to be a cook,
Like a job?
like a job, yeah. What is your dream? What is your dream job? Okay? Maybe your dream is to be a cook. I want you to think about three things you need to do to make your dream come true. Okay? So for example, for the person that wants to be a cook, they have to learn about learn about different
Recipe?
foods or recipes. Okay?
I don't have
Who? Who said that?
Oh! Stella.
I'm going to help you find your dream.
Why?
I heard her name is president.
President.
No.
Wow. President Stella. That's great. Okay. So,
No.
that's the first bubble, okay? Second, if I want to become a cook, what do I have to do? I have to practice. Practice cooking. Practice cooking / baking different foods. Okay? And number 3, if I want to become a cook, what else do I need to do?
Famous chef. Cook. Famous cook.
Okay, study. Is a study or read books by famous chefs. Okay? Now, this is just an example. Okay, maybe some of you have a dream to become a police officer. Maybe you want to become president like Stella.
No.
Okay? Maybe some of you want to become a teacher. Okay? You might have a dream of becoming a librarian. Okay? There's many different things. Scientist. Tons of things you can choose from. Doctor, nurse. Okay? What?
Lawyer.
A lawyer, yeah. If you want, you can become a lawyer. Okay? So, that's what we'll do today. On a different piece of paper, okay, piece of notebook paper, you can write down this mind map. Okay, just do your brainstorming, and then when you're ready to write your essay, you're going to put that in your book on page number 118.
What?
118. Yeah, you're going to write in this box on page 118. No, mind map goes on a piece of scrap paper, and then essay goes in this box. It's in here, yes. You're going to write it. 3 paragraphs. Yes. Well, essay is your dream, okay? And you can talk about why English is important in your dream, okay? Maybe you want to go to a school outside of Korea, in the USA or Canada or in Europe somewhere, okay? An English-speaking country. And then you can talk a little bit about why English is important as it relates to your dream. Okay?
English and dream.
Yeah, connect the two together. Okay? Do you have any questions? So that's what we're going to do for class today. If you have any questions, I'll be here correcting your haiku poems. Haiku poem essays. And that's where we'll stop recording today.